Do you have a genuine interest and you are looking for an opportunity that can actually change your life, and you are wondering what kind of business or opportunity can you start? In this video, I'm going to give you 7 benefits you can actually get when you actually get involved or get started in one of the best business that is working at this century. So stay up to the end of this video for you to understand which kind of business I'm going to talk about. How are you going to benefit from this business, and how can you get started in this kind of business? As I start, there are so many opportunities around the world, and it just depends what is working or what you have interest with. But if you look at the modern world, you're going to find that most of the opportunities are actually digital, or most of the business are being conducted online. And that's why I want to give you the 7 benefits that you can enjoy if you get to find the best network marketing company, someone to train you and get to know everything you need to know before you actually join a network marketing company. Because this is one of the business model that most people do not understand very well, or it has misconception. But if you find the right person and someone to guide you, to show you the right steps in succeeding in this kind of model, you are actually going to benefit. So what you just need to learn is, how does these companies work, or what is your role, and what are the benefits you are going to get when you actually join a network marketing business. First benefit you get, or you enjoy when you join a network marketing company, is it gives you an opportunity to have a passive income or an extra income. Maybe you could be working, or if this is an opportunity that you are looking for you to get started. Network marketing will give you an opportunity to create a passive income if you actually follow the steps and you get to put in the work. Because I've seen a lot of misconception that joining a network marketing company is like joining a get rich quick scheme, which is a total lie. But if you get to learn and follow the right steps, the teaching, the training, you're actually going to have an income that you didn't have before. What you just need to learn is, how does that company work, and how are you going to benefit? And eventually you are going to make an extra income. Two, to join a network marketing company, you just need a minimal amount. However, you need to understand very well the presentation of that company, how does that company work, and that is when you make your mind for you to sign up. But if you compare network marketing business with other traditional business, you're going to find that for you to start a business, there are many things you need. For example, you need to pay for the rent of that business, you need the cost, you need the raw materials, sometimes you even need the staff salary, plus other amenities that comes with the starting a business. But network marketing business, what you just need is a low amount, which you are required for you to pay for you to join a network marketing company. But that comes after you have understood the marketing plan of that company, you have gone through the compensation plan, you have actually asked the question you have, and the person presenting to you has made you to understand how these companies joined. Because remember, we have a lot of pyramid schemes, we have illegal pyramid schemes, we have Ponzi schemes, we have scammers, and you have to be very careful and understand how this company is working and the legalization of that company before you take that form and sign up. A legit and real network marketing company have a training and mentorship program. Now, when you find that you have understood the business and you are ready to join, the person that has shown you this opportunity or the presentation that you have gone through must guide you and make you to understand that how are they going to support you, or how are you going to do the business, because maybe it could be your first time you are getting introduced to this kind of business. So you need to understand very well that this person showing me this business, how are they going to help me to succeed. Like, for example, if I remember personally, when I was joining a network marketing company, I didn't have any skills about, for example, on how to present, how to talk to people. I was an introvert. I didn't know, like, how can I stand and show people this business? But today, here I am, courtesy of training and mentorship from the leaders who introduced me into this business. So, in short, if you are going to join a network marketing company, you are going to get the training, you're going to get the coaching, you're going to get the mentorship to push you to the next level, and that is what makes people to succeed in network marketing. But the point should be that you're the one joining the business. Now, you should actually dedicate yourself that I want to learn, I want to improve, I want to change something in my life. It is not just about me training you or you getting trained and not having that mindset of you getting to learn something new. You have to actually allow yourself that, let me learn this business, and you are going to benefit actually moving to the next step in your life. Another benefit you get when you actually join a network marketing company is traveling incentives. When I look at my company, the company comes with incentives where it is equal for everyone. It doesn't matter when you join, it doesn't matter for how old have you been in the business, what comes in, it is neutral for everyone. But the company might decide that this time they want to have, for example, I've seen we have Europe trips, we have South African trips, we have the Middle East, we have the American trips, and different trips that comes maybe within a given location or given region. So what you just need to learn is how are you going to qualify for the incentives? And if you get to qualify, like for example, in my company, the company stands for the company caters for accommodation, for the transport, and everything that you're supposed to go with that place. What you just need to do is to get a visa and maybe the legal document that you're supposed to produce or present when you are traveling to a given region. But the benefit here is once you get a genuine network marketing company, and then the company comes with these incentives, your work is just to work and get to qualify to that trip. As I move further, another question that I always get is, I'm interested in joining this business, but I don't know how to present. I don't know how to talk to people. I'm not good at prospecting, or I'm not good at doing this and this and this. Now, to answer that question here is, for you to join a network marketing, you don't need to have special skills compared as when you are joining into a corporate world or when you are looking for a job. In network marketing, the only thing you need to understand is to have that ability to relate with other people or ability to cope up with them. For example, if you join a network marketing company, the truth here is you are going to experience a lot of things. For example, you are going to learn about rejection, you're going to learn about objection. For example, not everyone is going to get interested with your business. Not everyone is going to be interested with your product. So you need to learn on how to cope with these people, because you notice that some of the people who actually get rejected opportunity are the people, maybe for example, they're your friends, they could be your relative, they could be your colleagues. So you need to learn on, if my friends tells me I'm not interested in this business, I'm not interested in this opportunity, what am I supposed to do, or how am I supposed to answer them? So those are some of the things that you get to learn. In fact, if you are looking for an opportunity on improving on your personal growth, network marketing is one of the opportunity that helps you to learn on improving on your personal skills. For example, personally, when I was joining this business, most people were telling me I'm not interested in a business. Most people were telling me that this business is a scam, it is illegal. But when you get to learn on what is a scam, what is an illegal pyramid schemes, what is a Ponzi schemes, and you actually get to know that these people, they are informed, but when you have that knowledge, you are able to cope with them and get to understand on how to answer and move on and learning more about the business. As I'm almost winding up about the benefits of joining a network marketing company is, this business is flexible or allows you to do it at part-time basis. For example, there are people who join this business because maybe they are working somewhere else, or they are engaged in other activities. It doesn't mean that if you join a network marketing company, you are joining a 9 to 5 world job. No. This business actually allows you to have that flexibility, that it gives you that an opportunity to be your own boss. That means that you get to schedule yourself, that at what time am I going to work, at what time am I going to do this activity. And that is how you get to benefit when actually join a network marketing company business. Your work is just to schedule yourself, and let's say for example you have joined my team and you are working. We are going to agree that at a given day or at a given time, this is what we are going to do and this is what we are not going to be doing, because I understand that you might be busy or you might be taking care of other things. So I'm not going to limit you to one activity. No, I'm going to give you that flexibility to actually do what you love and get to give this business its time. Lastly, performance pays. Now, one thing I want you to remember is joining a network marketing company is not a walkover, or it is not an overnight results opportunity. Performance pays, it means that for those people who are going to work, who are going to commit themselves, who are going to dedicate in and achieving a result, are the one who are going to succeed. It is not about that you are going to join today and tomorrow you are going to start generating that passive money or that passive income. What you just need to do is get to learn the business. Understand what are you supposed to do. Understand the steps. Understand the trainings. Get to have a mentor or a coach, someone who is going to show you the right steps that you are supposed to follow. Don't join a network marketing company, then go home, expect money to come into your bank account. No, you have to work. The good news is when you join my team is I have a very scheduled or I have a dedicated, well and elaborated training and mentorship program. And those people who follow it are the one who succeed. It is not about that you see someone, like for example, I've been seeing people or getting questions that I've seen so and so join a network marketing company and within this period of time they're getting these results, or this is what they are doing, or this is what they have achieved. The reality is, if you see someone who is doing well in a network marketing company, it means that that massive results you are seeing comes after massive work. It doesn't mean they joined and started getting the money. No. Massive results equals to massive hard work. So don't have a mindset of I'm going to join and start making money. No. Have a mindset of if I get to work, if I get to put in the effort, if I get to follow the steps, the training, that is when I'm going to achieve the results that you want. However, you need to understand very well how this business works, which is the best company for you to join, and everything you need to know about network marketing company. If you are that person who is looking for an opportunity like network marketing company, I'm ready to help you to get started. I'm ready to coach you, to train you, and show you the right way in succeeding in network marketing. What you're just going to do, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down in the description section below. Reach out to me, ask me any question you want to know about network marketing, or if you are ready to join, then I'm ready to help you. However, if you have found something informative in this video, let me know it in the comment section or give it a like, subscribe. However, I want to thank you for watching this video and I'm ready to help you to join a network marketing company. Waiting you at the other side.